Expedia is a leading travel website that has transformed how people plan and book their trips. With its user-friendly interface and extensive options for flights, hotels, rental cars, and vacation packages, Expedia has become a go-to platform for travelers worldwide. Entrepreneurs in the travel industry can draw inspiration from Expedia to build their own successful travel portals. Expedia is a renowned travel website that offers a comprehensive platform for booking flights, hotels, rental cars, and vacation packages. With a vast inventory of over 700,000 accommodations in more than 190 countries, Expedia processes millions of travel bookings each year, generating billions in revenue. The platform handles over $100 billion in travel bookings annually and boasts a user base of over 150 million unique users per month. In 2023, Expedia Group Inc.'s earnings in the U.S. accounted for approximately 63% of its total earnings, with worldwide profits totaling around $12.84 billion US. Building a travel website like Expedia offers numerous advantages for entrepreneurs. A well-designed travel website can generate significant revenue from commissions on bookings. It provides user convenience by allowing travelers to explore, compare, and book their travel plans all in one place. A wide range of options for flights, hotels, rental cars, and vacation packages can attract a diverse user base. Additionally, offering unique features, personalized recommendations, and improved customer service can give companies a competitive advantage in the market. A well-designed website enhances user experience and facilitates travelers' search and booking of travel plans. Engaging content, such as travel blogs, offers useful information to help users plan their vacations effectively. Improved content also draws more organic traffic to the website, increasing visibility through SEO benefits. Providing reliable information about travel, accommodations, and destinations builds credibility and fosters customer trust, promoting repeat business and creating loyal customers. To build a travel website like Expedia, follow these essential steps. 1. Planning and research. Identify your target audience and their preferences. Analyze existing travel websites for insights. Define your unique selling proposition, USP. 2. Design and development. Select a platform, either custom-built or a content management system, CMS, like WordPress. Structure your website with sections for hotels, flights, vacation packages, and rental cars. Ensure mobile responsiveness for a seamless user experience across all devices. 3. Content and features. Regularly update travel listings and maintain accurate information. Implement advanced search options and filters. Allow users to leave reviews and ratings to build credibility. 4. Integration and partnerships. Integrate secure payment gateways to protect users' financial information. Consider popular payment options like PayPal for ease of transactions. By following these steps, you can create a travel website that captures the attention of travelers worldwide and stands out in the competitive online travel market.